Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073848 1382, and today we have a 2016 LDV V80 2.5 litre 4-cylinder diesel. This shape ran from 1st month 2013 to 12th month 2018. This vehicle is fitted with a 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel backed by a front-wheel drive auto transmission. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear. The left-hand headlight is in good condition. This vehicle has a factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel with good tyre. We have the left-hand door mirror. The left-hand door has multiple dents. The left-hand sliding rear door has multiple dents. The left-hand rear wheel is a factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel with good tyre. The vehicle has sustained damage in the rear. The left barn door has multiple dents. The vehicle has sustained damage in the right-hand rear. We have a right-hand factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel with good tyre. The right rear sliding door has multiple dents. The right front door has multiple dents. We have a right-hand 16-inch alloy factory mag wheel with good tyre. We have the right-hand door mirror. The right-hand headlight is in good condition. We have the driver's side door trim and master switch. This vehicle has a factory grey cloth interior. We have a factory grey console. We have the factory air conditioning and heater controls. MP3 stereo. Factory instrument cluster. Has the factory courtesy light. Left sun visor is grey. Right sun visor is grey. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.